Good morning. And today, 26 March and Saturday. I am fine here. Good morning. Very cold weather today's morning. Very beautiful weather here. This time you see behind me and door and wall. After some seconds, you see front of me and good weather, good look and morning. Sun say come here in our land, you see, and you see front of me and back side of me, behind me green wall, and you see morning sun, very beautiful and nice everywhere. You see this is our veranda and our area, and other you see this is our outside of door, small door, other door is a big door, and near this door other side. Alhamdulillah, this is very beautiful morning here. You see this location behind me, very beautiful and nice area. This is our house, around our house, very beautiful. You look, this is good morning here, very cold and beautiful morning. And you see me behind me, this is our land around our house. Therefore, I wear coat morning time from 6 a.m. to 5 morning a.m. to 8 a.m. Very cold weather here. Therefore, this is here my stand problem. My mobile stand is little bit small. Therefore, same this making a video. Okay. This is other area around our house. Around our house, very beautiful land and everywhere. At this time, the process of wheat all complete here. Alhamdulillah, you see other side, four pieces of goats, and I think you see one or two cows. Okay, Alhamdulillah, I'm fine here. I close my this video. Thank you everybody. Inshallah, after I take my breakfast, I make other one video, beautiful and very charm video. Inshallah, this is very good morning here. I am very happy. Therefore, here very cold weather and very beautiful weather. Oh, after you see me other side, therefore here shining sun. You see my face clear, but okay. You see here, very nice area. Thank you everybody. Like and share with other persons, other subscribers. Thank you everybody. Bye. Good morning. Nice to meet you.